dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Another video, you guys. This is something that we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into. I'm just putting the wig on my head. I've already cut off my ear tabs off camera because it's kind of difficult for me to do it on camera, and I've already melted one side. So as you guys can tell from the title, this is going to be a wig install and styling on this HD lace wig. This is a body wave wig that I have dyed jet black, and it is freshly blown out, but you guys can see how well it melts. I think moving forward, the next time that I do an install specifically with an HD lace wig, I think I'm going to go ahead and do the ball cap method. So I'm just using the free spray. This method is going to be completely vegan, so of course this is my adhesive. I stress to feel free to use whatever it is that you're comfortable using, whether it be the spray or the actual gel itself. I'm going to be taking my blow dryer and I'm going to be blow drying that on the cool setting. You guys will see me kind of feathering the comb throughout the hairline, just because with the free spray, when you do spray it on the hair, it does get hard, and I'm just trying to minimize having like the crunchy hairline, so that's why I just kind of run my comb through it back and forth while I am blow drying it. And then of course I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace, and anything that I feel like didn't lay down as good, I just put a little bit more of the free spray on my finger and then just applied it to the little edges of the corners that didn't quite lay down how I wanted them to. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the other side of my head.
I show my back to flat catch up. Stuck talking smack, what you want, what's up?
Okay, now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. If you prefer to do a no baby hair install, then you can definitely stop at this point. Feel free to go in with like any water or rubbing alcohol to remove like any residue from the free spray if you have any. I did go ahead and do that before I started doing this step. You can apply any of your foundation powder, pressed powder along the hairline, whatever you have to do to get it, to how you want it to look. And I'm going to be going in this stage to go ahead and do my edges. Now I'm just trying some things, you guys, that I've been seeing to see if it works better for me. I'm still not a professional when it comes to doing my edges, but I do trying, so you don't have to do them how I chose to do mine. Of course, but I was just trying something new here, so you guys will just kind of see my little trial and error process.
I show my back to flat catch up. Stuck talking smack, what you want, what's up? Fighting what's real, baby, no, hold up, hold up. What's up? You say you're never scared, but you don't know what you're talking about. Your eye and ear impaired, you don't like it, then you block it out. They don't all care to know, none to show. So the story goes, the people on their toes speak it true, then get mocked and doubt. What's that about? What's up? Sickness throughout, what's up? Truly devout to avoid, got you asking what's up? We gotta see what's up. My homies, please, what's up? Get free together like we mean it. Now let's show them what's up. When I go, you back like that, back up. I show you racks, nice stacks, what's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so pleased. I be easily emancipate my needs. I show my back to flat catch up. Stop talking smack, what you want, what's up? Fighting what's real, baby, no, hold up. Anybody wanna know what's really going on, going on? No. There with a bunch of boxes in the body kick around. Oh. Anybody wanna know what's really going on, going on? No. There with a bunch of boxes in the body kick around.
So that's pretty much all that I'm going to do. I'm going to be taking the same amount of sections. I want some consistency. Make sure to comb through it. Same thing, so I face it down and then I just wrap it around and I curl it in my face right now.
Anybody wanna know? Anybody wanna know? When I go, you back like that, back up. I show you racks, nice stacks, what's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so pleased. I be easily emancipate my needs. I show my back to flat catch up. Stop talking smack, what you want, what's up? Fighting what's real, baby, no, hold up. Go underground, build up a mound. The water water's brown, earthbound, battleground. Merry-go-round, it's building now. Some larger row looking down, profound. Oh Lord, the sons know they're not in control. It's who they owe, knowledge flows where the money goes. The golden rule, the oldest truth. Whoever has the gold makes the rules. What's up? When I go, you back like that. Back up, I show you racks, nice stacks. What's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so please. I be easily emancipate my knees. I show my back to flat, catch up. Stuck talking smack, what you want? What's up? Fighting what's real, baby, now hold up.
In the front, I'm just going to divide that because these are going to be my last two curls. And then once I get to the front, specifically on these two curls that are going to be like the base, I'm going to curl towards my face. So I'm curling away before I actually the direction of the hair, and I'm curling away.
Happy with a bunch of boxes and a body kick around. Oh, the meaning is right here. It couldn't be more clear. Filling it out with the ink and spin. I think it's every year. Shed one tear for what's really going on, going on.
I'm not sure what happened to the little footage before this, but basically
when
to
I
fluff out
go, you
these
back
curls, I'm
like
just doing what
that.
you guys
Back
see me
up,
doing, and
I
I'm just
show
gonna
you racks,
run my
nice
comb
stacks. What's
like
up?
through the hair,
Why
and then I'm
do
gonna take
you
it out.
act
So I'm not
like
physically
that? Enough,
brushing
only
them
for me,
completely
not
out. I'm
so
just kind of sort
pleased.
of
I
fluffing
be
them in
easily
that instant because I
emancipate my
want them to
knees.
just drop
I
naturally.
show my back to flat, catch up. Stop talking smack, what you want? What's up? Fighting what's real, baby, now hold up.
When I do my hair review videos that way, you know, all the
You never
information is there.
scared, but you don't know what you're talking about. Your eye and ear impaired. You don't like it, then you block it out. They don't all care to know. None of show. So the story goes to people on their toes. Speak it true, then get mocked and doubt. What's that about? What's up? Sickness throughout. What's up? Truly devout to avoid. Got you asking what's up? We gotta see what's up. My homies, please, what's up? Get free together like we mean it. Now let's show them what's up. When I go, you back like that. Back up. I'll show you racks, nice stacks. What's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so pleased. I'll be easily emancipate my knees. I show my back to flat, catch up. Stop talking smack, put you on. What's up? Fighting what's real, baby, now hold up. Anybody wanna know what's really going on, going on?
I always use these for other things. Come in with a bunch of boxes and a body kick around. As far as the shipping, you guys, they did ship to FedEx, and I believe it got to me in about 3 to 4 days. Probably 3 days. I'm not 100% sure. It's their 13x6 HD lace wig. I have it in 24 inches. The density on this wig is 200% density, and then because you do get to choose your cap size, I went ahead and got mine in a size small. Now, what I will say about West Kiss Hair when it comes to their wig, being that I've had a 6x6 lace closure wig from them, and then a 28-inch wig from them, and now this being my third unit from them, their wigs do run pretty true to size. So some things that I feel like you guys should know. So this particular wig only comes in 18, 20, 22, and 24. So I have it in 24 inches, and this is how this wig comes in. And then I don't know if it helps you guys out or if you guys don't mind me telling you guys how much like hair costs. I would say that for a 13x6 HD body wig, 24 inches,
go underground, build up a mound. The water's brown, earthbound, battleground. Merry-go-round, it's building now. Some larger row looking down, profound. Oh Lord, the sons know they're not in control. It's who they owe, knowledge flows where the money goes. The golden rule, the oldest truth. Whoever has the gold makes the rules. What's up? When I go, you back like that. Back up, I show you racks, nice stacks. What's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so pleased. I be easily emancipate my knees. I show my back to flat, catch up. Stop talking smack, put you on. What's up? Fighting what's real, baby, now hold up.
once you go ahead and do that to this lace, it will just blend so seamlessly. The quality of this lace, you guys, yes, it's perfect, but I will go ahead and say that it's very delicate. When it was on my mannequin head, obviously the parts that I cut off were the parts that kind of like ripped and had a tear in it. Putting my little wig pins in it and whatnot, so that's just something to keep in mind. If you're going to like pulling down your unit, it's a little bit more effort to take off the wig versus so it's not,
when I go, you back like that. Back up, I show you racks, nice stacks. What's up? Why do you act like that? Enough, only for me, not so please. Stop it, easily emancipate my needs. I show my back to back. Stop talking smack, but you what's up? Fighting what's real, baby, no love.
I just want to make sure I came back to tell you guys about the
You say you're never scared, but you don't know what you're talking about. Your eye ain't ever impaired. You don't like it, then you block it out. They don't care to know. None of show. So the story goes, the people on their toes speak it true, then get mocked and down. What's that about? What's up? Sickness throughout. What's up? Truly just out to avoid. Got you asking what's up. We gotta see what's up. My homies, please, what's up? Get free together like we mean it. Now let's show 'em what's up. When I go, you back like that. Back up. I show you racks, nice.